everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you the Nuk Everlast Sippy cup. These are amazing. They are only $6.99. You can find them on Target. I have seen them on Bye Bye Baby, but not in my local store. They carry it online only, and then in Amazon for $6.99. Actually, they're on sale for $5.99. They come in 3 different colors. They come in blue, green, and pink. We don't have the pink one here because we have a boy, but these bottles are amazing. As soon as I got them, I checked the reviews and I tried to clean them, and it was horrible to try to figure out how to clean this. So I'm just gonna make a quick video and tutorial of how to clean these bottles. When you first get them, it's really easy to open them up. I guess you just twist them a little bit and they're done. And then here's the straw. But then if you pull it out, you're gonna, let's see, you can pull it out, and then this divides in 2. So you can put them in your dishwasher. They're dishwasher safe. So you can just clean them like that. But then to put the straw back, it's pretty hard. It took me time to figure it out. I was like, oh my God, waste my money. I'm gonna just throw them away, forget it. This is not happening, and I was just trying to poke them here to get them out. It was pretty hard, but then I discovered that this comes off. So how this comes off is just pull up. So if you have them like this, you pull up. Again, pull up, and that's it. You have your hole there. You put your straw through here after they're clean. Sure that everything is back in place so it doesn't spill, and then you're gonna bend these towards this a little part over here, and then this part, it's gonna go to the front, and you see here, you're just gonna pull it, push it down, and that's it. You're good to go. You're able to clean your bottles, and these are going to be your favorite bottles because there are 12 ounces. They're spill proof. If they just start to drink, they're pretty easy to drink. It's not like those straws that you have to bite first for the liquid to come out. It's just a regular straw, but if you tilt it, nothing is going to come out. I absolutely love them. It's a great price. We have 2. We actually have 3. We used one today on our way out. Let me see if I have it in my bag. And I usually even keep it open like this because it doesn't spill at all. Usually if he drinks and I try to close it, it will like spill a little bit, but that's it. So I absolutely recommend these bottles. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, I'm gonna start doing more videos about babies and toddlers products. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.